Hey everybody, Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 GMC Sierra for sale. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior, and we have a black interior. I'll go ahead and take a look at driver's side here. Door controls, seat controls, driver's seat, steering wheel, rear seats, lots of room here. We have heated seats for all 4 passengers as well. There's also a heated steering wheel. Come around to the back, got our GMC Sierra badging and the rear cargo space here. And let's hop in the driver's side. Do have a push button ignition. Mileage currently at 28,157. Here we have our touchscreen display. Currently showing radio, backup camera, and navigation. Below that we've got climate control and the shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.